cannot be hungry, lazy, broke at the same time. Before we get started, hey my love, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. Also drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I will drop any video. Welcome to my cooking show where nothing makes sense but everything tastes good. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around, let me tell you a little story. So I was lazy, broke and hungry, and that's how this masterpiece started. With love and joy from near and far, whenever I'm hungry like this, instant noodles is always there to rescue. So first we fried our spring onions and sweet peppers like professionals. That's the sound of poverty and enjoyment having a meeting in one pan. So you add your pre-cooked noodles. Crystal star, we aim high. Shine on, crystal star. I also added dark soy sauce, just add a little. And after that, you're gonna toss in the seasoning like you're on a master chef. Before you ask how many seasoning did I use, I did not use all. I always go with 2/5 ratio. If I'm making 5 packs, I use just 3 or sometimes 2. Cakes to clicks from life so sweet every day. So my darling, serve your meal and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, drop a comment, and always come back for more. Bye guys. Crystal star.